Elon Musk predicts $10 trillion market impact from Tesla's revolutionary Optimus robot initiative. Date: January 31, 2025. Summary: Elon Musk has made bold predictions regarding Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot initiative, estimating a potential market impact that could exceed $10 trillion. This projection was emphasized at recent events where Musk detailed the capabilities and future plans for the Optimus robot, designed to undertake tasks typically viewed as undesirable for human workers, particularly in factory settings. Key developments and predictions. 1. Production plans. Musk announced Tesla's ambition to manufacture several thousand Optimus robots by the end of 2024 for internal use at Tesla factories. This initial production aims to refine the design and functionality of the robots, which will inform an improved version expected to launch in 2025 for commercial sale to other companies. The robots are intended to operate in human-designed environments, enhancing productivity without necessitating significant workflow changes. 2. Revenue potential. Musk has projected that the long-term revenue from the Optimus initiative could surpass $10 trillion, a figure he admits sounds absolutely insane. He believes this potential stems from the immense demand for humanoid robots across various sectors. Musk has previously suggested that the market could ultimately accommodate one robot for every person globally, which translates to over 8 billion units. 3. Cost and market dynamics. The production cost of the Optimus robot is anticipated to dip below $20,000 once annual production reaches 1 million units. However, the market price will be driven by demand. Analysts have noted that while Musk's estimates may seem overly optimistic, they align with a growing recognition of robots as solutions to labor shortages rather than mere replacements for human workers. 4. Use cases and market scope. The humanoid robot market is expected to initially target dirty, dangerous, and dull jobs, areas where labor shortages are prevalent. Musk highlighted the warehousing sector as an example, projecting a shortfall of 2.1 million workers by 2030, signaling a critical opportunity for deploying Optimus robots. The existing industrial robot market already includes over 2.7 million units, indicating a substantial foundation for growth. 5. Competitive landscape. While Tesla aims to lead the humanoid robot market, competition is intensifying. Analysts like Chris Camillo predict that other robotics firms could capture significant market share, with estimates suggesting the total humanoid robot market value could far exceed that of Tesla's automotive sector. Differing perspectives. Several sources offer varying views on the economic implications of Optimus. Benzinga emphasizes Musk's belief that humanoid robots could elevate Tesla's long-term value beyond its automotive offerings, with predictions that the humanoid robot market could reach $25 trillion. Optimistic Storm discusses the broader ramifications of humanoid robots addressing labor shortages and aging populations across developed nations, asserting that these robots will fill roles in sectors struggling with workforce availability. Timeline of events. August 2021, Tesla unveils the Optimus robot during its AI Day. October 2022, a demonstration showcases the robot's advancing dexterity and functionality. 2024, production of initial units for internal use is scheduled. 2025, the next version of Optimus is set for launch, with sales expected to commence to other companies. Conclusion. Tesla's Optimus robot initiative is poised to be a transformative force in the robotics industry, with ambitious revenue projections and widespread applications across various sectors. While the potential market impact appears promising, the realization of these predictions will hinge on production capabilities, market acceptance, and the competitive landscape. Sources. 1. Investing.comps/www.investing.com/news/stock-market-news/ Tesla's Optimus robot could bring in over $10 trillion in revenue, Musk says. 93ch38399597. 2. Benzingips//www.benzinga.com/25/01/433258888/Tesla likely to sell Optimus to rival companies in 2026. Price point of humanoid robot to be determined by demand, says CEO Elon Musk. 3. Optimistic Storms //optimisticstorm.com/humanoid Optimus robot adds 10 trillion to Tesla. This report encapsulates the essence of Elon Musk's vision for the Optimus robot initiative and its anticipated impact on the market. Reflecting on both the potential challenges and opportunities ahead. Elon Musk's ambitious prediction of a $10 trillion market impact from Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot initiative presents several counterintuitive insights that challenge conventional economic and technological narratives. Below are key aspects that highlight these counterintuitive elements. 1. Scale versus feasibility. Musk's projection that the humanoid robot market could eventually see one robot for every person on Earth over 8 billion units is striking. It implies a level of scalability that seems disproportionate to current technological and economic realities. While the idea of mass deployment is enticing, the infrastructure, manufacturing capacity, and technological advancements required to produce billions of humanoid robots within a relatively short timeframe remain daunting. The sheer volume of production required challenges established norms in robotics and manufacturing, suggesting an optimistic leap in capabilities that may not align with present-day constraints. 2. Robots as enhancers, not replacements. Musk emphasizes that Optimus robots are designed to take on dirty, dangerous, and dull jobs without replacing human workers. This perspective counters the prevalent fear that automation leads to widespread job loss. Instead, Musk posits that robots will alleviate labor shortages in sectors struggling to find workers due to demographic shifts such as aging populations. This transforms the narrative from one of competition between humans and robots to a collaborative future where robots supplement human labor. This shift in framing challenges traditional views on automation's impact on employment, suggesting a more coexistential approach. 3. Economic valuation models. The varying estimates of market potential for Optimus robots illustrate a significant divergence in economic modeling. While Musk suggests a $10 trillion valuation, others propose even higher figures like $25 trillion. Conversely, some analyses present much lower estimates. This range of valuation models highlights the unpredictability inherent in emerging technologies. It also raises questions about the assumptions underpinning these valuations, such as production costs, market demand, and the rate of adoption. The disparity suggests that our understanding of market dynamics in the context of new technologies is still evolving. 4. Labor shortages as a driving force. The argument that humanoid robots will primarily address labor shortages in developed countries is a counterintuitive twist on the narrative of automation. Instead of viewing robots solely as job replacers, Musk and his supporters argue that these technologies will fill gaps in the workforce created by demographic changes. This perspective reframes the discussion around automation, suggesting that the future of work may involve humans and robots working side by side, thereby altering the labor market structure rather than eliminating jobs altogether. 5. Market price determined by demand. Musk's assertion that the price of Optimus robots will be dictated by market demand rather than production costs is another counterintuitive point. Typically, in technology markets, prices tend to decrease as production scales and costs are optimized. However, Musk suggests that high demand will sustain a higher price point, challenging the norm of decreasing prices in competitive markets. This implies a shift in consumer behavior and market dynamics that is not commonly observed in technology adoption cycles. 6. Demographics and robotics. The implication that humanoid robots could serve as a solution to demographic challenges such as aging populations and declining birth rates is an unconventional perspective. This view suggests that robots could be integral to maintaining economic productivity in societies experiencing workforce shortages due to demographic shifts. It raises profound questions about the future of work and societal structure, positing that robotics could become essential to sustaining economic growth in the face of declining human labor availability. 7. Broad applications beyond traditional industries. Musk's vision positions Optimus robots as versatile tools that could be employed across various sectors beyond manufacturing, including warehousing, logistics, and even personal care. This broad applicability challenges the notion that robots are limited to industrial settings. It suggests a future where humanoid robots become commonplace in everyday life, fundamentally altering consumer expectations and interactions with technology. 8. Competition and market entry. The competitive landscape for humanoid robots is evolving, with various companies entering the field. Musk's assertion that Tesla could lead the market contrasts with the rapid advancements made by competitors, particularly in countries like China. This suggests that while Tesla may have a first-mover advantage, the dynamism of the robotics market could lead to unforeseen shifts in leadership and innovation, complicating Musk's predictions of dominance. Conclusion. Elon Musk's predictions regarding the impact of Tesla's Optimus robot initiative present a series of counterintuitive insights that challenge existing paradigms in economics, labor markets, and technology. The optimistic scenarios he outlines provoke deeper examination of our assumptions about the future of work, the role of automation, and the potential for humanoid robots to coexist and enhance human capabilities rather than merely replace them. As the landscape of robotics evolves, the realization of these predictions will depend on multiple factors, including technological advancements, market acceptance, and the broader socio-economic context. The report on Elon Musk's predictions regarding Tesla's Optimus robot initiative presents a wealth of information that may be overlooked by many readers, specifically concerning the societal implications and market dynamics of humanoid robots. Here are the key overlooked aspects and their significance. 1. Labor shortages and demographic changes. One of the most significant points that often gets overshadowed in discussions about the Optimus robot is its potential to address labor shortages, particularly in aging populations. Musk's remarks about an impending labor crisis highlight a pressing issue. Many developed nations are experiencing declining birth rates combined with an aging workforce. This demographic shift means fewer workers are available to fill essential roles, especially in sectors like warehousing and manufacturing, which are already facing significant vacancies. The significance of this point is profound. If humanoid robots can effectively fill these gaps, the economic stability of these nations could be preserved and productivity could be maintained or increased. Moreover, Musk's assertion that humanoid robots are intended as solutions rather than replacements for human workers could foster public acceptance and mitigate fears about job losses. 2. Production and cost efficiency. Another critical aspect that might be overlooked is the projected production costs for the Optimus robot. Musk claims that once production reaches a scale of 1 million units, the cost could drop below $20,000 per robot. This projection is significant because it implies that the market could be flooded with affordable humanoid robots, making them accessible to a broad range of industries, including those that have traditionally avoided automation due to high costs. The implications of cost efficiency extend beyond Tesla. They could reshape entire industries by enabling smaller companies to automate tasks that were previously too costly. This could democratize access to advanced robotics, allowing businesses of all sizes to benefit from automation. 3. Market dynamics and competitive landscape. While the report mentions competition in the humanoid robot space, it does not delve deeply into how the competitive landscape could evolve. Musk's prediction that other robotics companies could achieve significant market share is crucial. As the market for humanoid robots expands, various players will emerge, leading to innovation and potentially lower prices. Understanding the competitive dynamics is essential for investors and stakeholders in the robotics industry. A diverse array of competitors could lead to rapid advancements in technology and applications. making it crucial for Tesla to maintain its edge through continuous innovation and strategic partnerships. 4. Global demand and cultural acceptance. The potential for one humanoid robot per person on Earth, as Musk suggests, raises questions about cultural acceptance and the global demand for robots. This assertion could be misconstrued as merely a marketing ploy, yet it underscores a broader trend toward automation across different cultural contexts. The significance lies in the need for a global conversation about the role of robots in society. As countries grapple with technological advances, their cultural attitudes toward robots will influence adoption rates. Regions with high acceptance of technology may see quicker integration of robots into everyday life, while others may resist. Understanding these cultural nuances will be critical for any company aiming to succeed in the global humanoid robot market. 5. Regulatory considerations. The report briefly touches upon the regulatory environment but does not highlight its potential impact on the deployment of humanoid robots. As robots become more integrated into workplaces, issues related to liability, safety standards, and ethical considerations will come to the forefront. The significance of regulatory considerations cannot be overstated. They will shape the operational framework within which these robots function. Companies like Tesla will need to navigate these regulations carefully to avoid legal pitfalls and to ensure the safe deployment of their products. Proactive engagement with policymakers could also present opportunities for shaping favorable regulations that support innovation. 6. Long-term value proposition. Musk's assertion that the long-term value of Optimus robots could dwarf that of Tesla's automotive sector is a bold claim that might be dismissed by skeptics. However, this perspective is significant as it reflects a strategic vision for the company's future. If Musk's projections hold true, Tesla could transition from being primarily an automotive manufacturer to a leader in a new industry, fundamentally altering its business model and value proposition. This shift could attract a different class of investors and create new partnerships across various sectors, emphasizing the need for investors to consider the longer-term implications of Tesla's strategic direction. 7. Technological integration and AI development. The report mentions that the Optimus robot will incorporate advanced AI and neural networks for autonomous operation. However, the significance of this integration may not be fully appreciated. The incorporation of sophisticated AI will not only enhance the robot's capabilities but could also lead to new applications and use cases that have yet to be envisioned. The technological advancements in AI and robotics could result in a feedback loop where improvements in one area drive enhancements in the other. This synergy could lead to rapid innovations, making the humanoid robot market more dynamic and competitive. Conclusion. Elon Musk's predictions about the Optimus robot initiative represent a transformative potential that extends beyond mere economic figures. The societal, regulatory, and technological implications are significant and could reshape industries and labor markets globally. As stakeholders engage with this information, they should consider the broader context of these developments, including the labor shortages, production dynamics, cultural acceptance, regulatory frameworks, long-term value propositions, and technological advancements. Understanding these elements will be crucial for navigating the evolving landscape of humanoid robotics. 1. Production plans and development timeline. Elon Musk's announcement regarding Tesla's intention to produce several thousand Optimus robots by the end of 2024 underscores a key strategic move for Tesla. The initial deployment of these robots in Tesla factories aims to refine their functionality and manufacturing processes, enabling the launch of an improved version in 2025 for broader commercial sale. This phased approach not only allows Tesla to optimize the robot's design and integration into existing workflows but also positions the company for a significant first-mover advantage in the humanoid robot market. 2. Revenue potential and market dynamics. Musk's assertion that the long-term revenue from the Optimus initiative could exceed $10 trillion points to the vast potential demand for humanoid robots across various sectors. This projection hinges on the anticipated market need for robots to fill labor shortages in industries facing declining workforce availability. The production cost of below $20,000 per robot once scale is achieved further enhances the feasibility of widespread adoption, suggesting that the market could evolve to see one robot per person globally, creating a multi-trillion-dollar industry. 3. Use cases and labor market impact. The focus on deploying humanoid robots in roles characterized as dirty, dangerous, and dull highlights the immediate application areas for Optimus, particularly in sectors like warehousing that are experiencing labor shortages. With predictions of a significant shortfall of workers in these sectors by 2030, Optimus robots could serve as a critical solution to maintain productivity. This application not only addresses immediate labor needs but also raises questions about the future of work and the potential for robots to augment human labor rather than replace it. 4. Competitive landscape and market dynamics. The competitive landscape for humanoid robots is evolving, with Tesla positioning itself as a leader while facing pressure from emerging robotics companies. Analysts suggest that while Musk's revenue estimates may appear ambitious, they reflect a broader industry trend where robots are increasingly viewed as essential tools rather than mere replacements for human workers. The potential for substantial market share across various applications raises questions about how Tesla will differentiate itself and maintain its competitive edge in a rapidly growing market. 1. The Industrial Revolution and the steam engine. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant turning point in history, fundamentally changing economies and societies around the world. The steam engine, invented by James Watt in the late 18th century, revolutionized transportation and manufacturing. It allowed for the mechanization of industries, leading to mass production and a shift from agrarian economies to industrialized ones. The impact of the steam engine on productivity and economic growth was profound. Similar to Musk's predictions about the market potential of humanoid robots like Optimus. 2. The introduction of the assembly line. Henry Ford's introduction of the assembly line in the early 20th century transformed manufacturing processes. By allowing for mass production of automobiles, Ford was able to reduce costs and increase efficiency, making cars affordable for the general public. This innovation not only boosted Ford's business but also had a ripple effect on the economy and labor markets, similar to how Musk envisions the Optimus robots addressing labor shortages and transforming various industries. 3. The rise of personal computers. The advent of personal computers in the late 20th century, particularly with companies like Apple and IBM, changed the way individuals and businesses operated. This technology created new markets and opportunities, similar to Musk's vision of a $10 trillion market for humanoid robots. The personal computer revolutionized industries by increasing productivity, enabling new forms of communication, and creating a tech economy that reshaped the global market. Like the predictions surrounding Optimus, the impact of personal computers was initially met with skepticism but ultimately became foundational to modern society. Elon Musk's predictions regarding Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot initiative reflect a potentially transformative shift in labor dynamics and economic structures. With estimated market impacts exceeding $10 trillion, the initiative aims to address labor shortages and inefficiencies across various sectors. Key predictions and developments. 1. Production and deployment timeline. Tesla plans to produce several thousand Optimus robots by the end of 2024 for internal use, which will help refine the design for a broader release in 2025. This step is crucial as it establishes a foundation for eventual sales to other companies, potentially expanding into a wide array of industries. 2. Revenue potential. Musk envisions a revenue trajectory that could surpass $10 trillion. Supported by a burgeoning demand for humanoid robots. The concept of having a robot for every person, over 8 billion units, highlights the expansive market potential. Analysts suggest that as production costs decrease, the affordability and accessibility of these robots will drive widespread adoption. 3. Cost efficiency and market dynamics. the production cost of Optimus is expected to drop below $20,000 once production reaches scale. However, pricing will be influenced by market demand, indicating a shift towards viewing robots as valuable workers rather than mere tools. This viewpoint is essential as it aligns with the growing need for automation in response to labor shortages in sectors like warehousing, which is projected to experience significant workforce gaps by 2030. 4. Targeted use cases. Initially, Optimus robots are expected to focus on dirty, dangerous, and dull jobs which often deter human labor. The warehousing sector, facing an estimated 2.1 million worker shortfall, is a prime candidate for early deployment. This targeted approach allows for smoother integration into existing workflows, minimizing disruption while maximizing efficiency. 5. Competitive landscape. While Tesla aims to be a leader in the humanoid robot sector, competition is likely to intensify. Other companies are also developing humanoid robots, which could create a diverse market with varying offerings. Analysts predict that the overall humanoid robot market could eclipse Tesla's automotive sector, emphasizing the significance of this initiative. Broader implications. The incorporation of humanoid robots like Optimus may not only reshape labor markets but also stimulate economic growth by addressing demographic challenges posed by aging populations in developed countries. As birth rates decline, the need for labor solutions becomes increasingly pressing, positioning humanoid robots as viable alternatives to human workers in various settings. Differing perspectives on market impact. Market valuation. Some analysts, such as those from Benzinga, suggest that the humanoid robot market could reach $25 trillion, a figure that underscores the transformative potential of this technology. Others, like Chris Camillo, envision a more conservative but still significant trillion-dollar market, indicating a range of optimistic forecasts based on differing assumptions about adoption rates and economic conditions. Human-robot collaboration. Musk emphasizes that Optimus robots are meant to complement human labor rather than replace it, suggesting a future where humans and robots coexist in the workforce. This notion could help mitigate fears about job displacement, framing robots as partners in tackling labor shortages. Conclusion. Elon Musk's ambitious predictions for Tesla's Optimus robot initiative signal a potential paradigm shift in automation and labor economics. With substantial revenue forecasts and diverse applications, the initiative is set to redefine how industries operate in response to labor challenges. However, the realization of these predictions hinges on successful production, market acceptance, and the evolving competitive landscape. As Tesla moves forward, the implications of humanoid robots extend beyond mere economic forecasts, promising to reshape societal structures and labor dynamics for years to come.